A very, very good evening to you all. In this very fine good evening, as today is Pentecost Sunday. In this very fine evening, I will be reacting Esther Hnamte's live performance, which she is going to sing in a airport. So, guys, let's study video. How much confidence she had. Let's see in front of many CRPF and airport staffs. So guys, let's study video. Here we go.
Airport
Wow.
Tiamo.
Let's see a small little girl from Mizoram. How she had that much of confidence and how she is able to sing uh, in front of a lot of people and a lot of the CRPF plus a lot of airport staffs. So guys, let's see. Wow,
VANDE MATARAM
Esther Hnamte
kasaturin at
singing.
yan.
Yes, yes, here we go. The name of the song is Vande Mataram. So guys, I hope all you have listened this song before. So guys, let's see that words in a life how she had a confidences. Wow, wow. Vande Mataram. Wow. Not only she is along from Mizoram, even the means senior citizens of Mizoram is also present here in the airport, and lots of that means relative maybe relatives of Esther Hnamtes are also available in this airport. So guys, how much support she's having from their own state? Let's see. Wow, how looks like very powerful. And this song is actually national anthem, national songs, not actually national anthem. Sorry. So even uh, the CRPF or the people of the means surrounding her are paying lots of respect for this song. So guys, we should also pay respect for this song. Wow. Wow. How she can sing in a very high note. It's unbelievable. Oh man. Wow. Let's see how many people are gathering in front of her. Let's see. Now, maybe the guest of music is there. So, wow, confidence to anay tak tak di. Madora mipui tam tak ka moto na himala ho sakra ma atrek ko mi azui the tak taka lungzing ne ngai kheli tak mi te chu alai ni ta sigin amabang niloya an I think it Mizoram Puya in Sungkwai Command Kipahin. Not only that, Sipai Kumnan, Umsa CRPF and Umsa Ilahi National Song Tia Tunimaka, the National Song Alita, and Tim Tunimaka, and the Vande Mataram Hijo, National Song Itia, and the Ibe. So Anita has an unholy takiti. Wow. Even senior citizens is also present here from Mizoram, as you can see, guys. These two, you can see these two they mean senior citizens, maybe from Mizoram. So, guys, even these two are also present from the Mizoram itself only. Even for her only, she have visited this place, that means Delhi. So, guys, let's see. इतना हाई नोट में गाना very दिक्कत होता है, like it's very tough to sing up to this much of this to this high note is very impossible for us. So how confidently she is singing in front of many people and many airport staff, and plus many people of Mizoram, even her relatives are also present right here. So guys, we'll see how much she has more confidence than this. Let's see. Even all the people are giving respect, especially for her only. Let's see how she is good, and as you know, she is very good in singing. Plus, even she can perform singing plus along with that means dancing also. So, guys, we should have these kinds of confidence if we want to become a singer or anything else. Confidence is the best thing to do anything, any work. Okay. Hey guys, that's all for today. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and good night. Thank you.